Imagine you need to create 100 user accounts for all of your auditors at once. Doing it one by one would be incredibly time-consuming and exhausting. Here's how to do it all at once by utilizing the bulk upload feature. To begin, log into your admin account through your desktop. Go to the admin menu. Select Auditors from the Manage tab. Click the bulk upload button in the upper right corner of your screen. Then a pop-up box with instructions will appear. You may need to follow our template in order for our system to read your files. Therefore, click Download. Open the downloaded file and start filling it with the data you have. There are a few columns that must be filled out, including full name, the role of this user, in this case, the auditor, department key. You can find this in the Departments section. If you want to assign the user to more than one department, the other department key columns must be filled out. Last but not least is the email address. The remaining columns are optional. If you choose not to fill in the data, please leave the cell blank. Please double check that the information you provided is correct. For instance, the email address has not yet been used by another account. If you successfully submitted your auditor list, you will get a notification on the right upper corner of your screen. You can also see a checklist before your file name. And you've done it! That's how you create 100 user accounts for all of your auditors at once.